The Parable of the Two Villages. In a distant land, there were two villages separated by a vast river. The villagers from each side had never met, and a dense forest surrounded their respective homes. One day, a brave explorer named Aria from the first village decided to cross the river and explore the other side. She journeyed through the forest, crossed the river, and reached the second village, where she was welcomed with open arms. The villagers in the second village were different from those in the first. They spoke a different language, had different customs, and even dressed differently. Aria observed their ways with curiosity and respect. Over time, she learned their language and shared stories of her own village. The villagers, in turn, shared their traditions, music, and cuisine with her. Aria marveled at the beauty of their culture and the richness it added to her life. One day, Aria decided to return to her village, but she carried the wisdom and experiences of the second village with her. She shared what she had learned about the world beyond the river with her fellow villagers. Instead of embracing this newfound knowledge, some villagers were fearful and closed-minded. They rejected the customs and ideas from the second village, fearing they would dilute their own traditions. Others, however, were open to the new perspectives Aria offered. They saw the value in learning from others, in embracing diversity, and in enriching their own culture by incorporating the wisdom of the second village. As time passed, the first village thrived, becoming a vibrant community that celebrated the blending of old and new traditions. The closed-minded villagers, however, remained isolated and stagnant. The parable of the two villages reminds us that the world is full of diverse cultures and ideas. We can choose to close ourselves off from this diversity, or we can embrace it, learn from it, and enrich our own lives and communities in the process.